Namaste. Over the last 2 weeks, we've talked a lot about how we can build healthy and beneficial habits, and especially how we can make yoga our habit. We've discussed the importance of willpower, determination, perseverance, but also the importance of letting go of perfectionism and our expectations. Today, I would like to put this into yogic terms. First of all, do you remember the definition of yoga according to one of the ancient texts, the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali? It is yoga, chitta, vritti, nirodha. Yoga is the stilling of the fluctuations of the mind. But how do we get there? With practice, abhyasa, and detachment, vairagya. Today, let's take a look at the concept of abhyasa. Abhyasa can be translated as practice, but it's not just any kind of practice. It's the practice of stilling the fluctuations of the mind, of calming the mind. It's the effort of resting in inner stillness. And anyone who's ever tried to meditate or just sit and observe their thoughts, I'm sure they know how difficult it is, especially in the beginning. We get bored, we get distracted, we get really caught up in our thoughts and our emotions. So we do really need effort and discipline in order to cultivate that tranquil state of mind. And that is abhyasa. So what does that look like? First of all, we have to practice without interruption. We have to give our full attention and focus to our practice. And that is easier said than done. There are so many distractions around us, especially our phones and laptops. So when you begin your practice, make sure that you switch off any notifications, or ideally switch off your technology altogether and leave them in a separate room. Find a quiet space away from others, and then give your full attention to your practice. We also have to practice for longer periods of time. You might just start with 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30 minutes. But after a while, you will naturally be wanting to practice for longer periods of time. So give yourself the time and the opportunity to expand your practice slowly. And of course, we have to stay committed to our practice in the long run. Practicing yoga once or twice feels great, but it's not going to get us closer to our goal. So if you really want to change and to experience this inner peace, stillness, harmony, you have to stay committed. You have to stay committed to your practice every single day. Even on days where you don't feel like it, where you're not in the mood, where you feel busy, you have to show up. Abhyasa really is an attitude of, I am not going to give up. It is practicing steadily and constantly over a period of time. It is practicing with perseverance. I hope you found this interesting and that this might fuel and inspire your practice today. I will see you again tomorrow.